Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime with Kathryn. Today I'm going to show you how to make a giant chunky blanket. If you have seen these all over Pinterest and totally wanted one, you won't believe how easy they are to make. And in store, they are so expensive. So today we're making them for just $35. For this project, you'll need 5 skeins of yarn, and you can get these from your local craft store. You stack it with your coupons, and it works out to about $6 a skein. And the best part is you need absolutely no skill. All you need are your 2 hands and hopefully a good friend and maybe a good Hallmark movie. If you mess up, there's a way to fix it.
It's like chalk paint. It's totally fine.
Yes,
Don't worry about it.
Yes! Got all this yarn if you want to lean back.
Yeah.
I mean, legitimately, it's a chair.
It's like an instant cushion.
And here's how simple these are. Create a loop and go through it with your hand to create the first knot. Go through the loop and pull the yarn through to create a second loop, and repeat again. The key is you want all of the loops to be about the same size. And we did 20 loops on our blankets, but you could go between 15 and 25 to create the desired size. Once you get to the end, then move your skein to the other side, pull through an extra loop to create the next row. Pull up in between each of these rows another loop.
And you just start going down, pulling through. Once you're done, you should have 20 loops.
Between each row, pull a new loop, and you should have the same number going back down the other side. And now it's super easy. Just pull new loops out of the existing ones. You're going to repeat this process back and forth until you use all 5 skeins.
Here we've come to, again, the end. So what you do is you do 2. 1.
To start the next row.
To start the next row. And every so often, you're just going to want to count and make sure
that you have the right amount.
You have the right amount, that you didn't lose a stitch.
I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
When you run out of a skein, just tie on a new piece and a double knot, and it will get lost in the blanket. I promise you won't notice it. And it's super easy to change up the colors. At the end of the row, you can tie in, and it seamlessly weaves into the blanket.
You're shining like no other.
To cast off the yarn, overlap the last 2 loops and go through.
You're going to pull through the inner loop on the second row through the outer loop like this. Then you're going to pull through the third row, making a loop, and you pull it through that outside loop. So see how it's making a braid and finishing? This is the edge of the blanket. You're going to go down the whole row like that. Now we're in the 4th, pulling it through like this.
Tie it off at the end using a standard shoelace knot, and you can weave the tail down through the edge of the blanket to help hide it. Awesome! It's huge!
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
These make amazing gift ideas. Fold and tie with a beautiful ribbon for just $35. I genuinely could not imagine a better gift. If you're obsessed with chunky blankets, definitely leave this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I can't wait to show you more holiday DIYs, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
And is my voice putting you to sleep?
It is.
That's beautiful.
I told Jess she has the most relaxing voice ever, and she should do ASMR videos.
I found the dinosaur.
DIYs for the kids. You did!
Night in the city, and a brave band of heroes is ready to face the